Let's continue AWS Step Functions. Let's understand AWS Step Functions pricing. We discussed AWS is a serverless orchestration tool. You no need a separate machine to install conquer step function, right? Then, then what is the pricing of a AWS Step Functions? How AWS people calculates the pricing? First important point. First important point. AWS Step Functions comes with free tier and it comes with always free. Then with some conditions. What are those conditions? Every month, 4 state transitions free. 4,000 state transitions is free. Let's say, let's say I created a step function. Step function. In this step function, start, end, start, end. Here I define multiple jobs, okay? And here, let's say 20 jobs. Along with the 20 jobs, different types. Some are list, some are pause, some are fail messages additionally. Each, let's say additionally, I added different states types, let's say 10 states types. 20 jobs, other 10 state types, plus a start job, end job. So total 32 state transitions in this single job. Single job. This state mission every day I am executing 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Every day I am executing 6 a.m. 30 days every month, 30 days I am executing this one. 30 days. So 30 into 30 or 32. 30 into 32. So it comes within 4,000 states. So you can easily utilize this free time. Let's say this job we are executing 6 a.m., 10 a.m., and 12 noon, and 2 p.m., and 4 p.m., and 8 p.m., and 10 p.m., and 11:55 p.m., 11:59 p.m. Like this, we are executing multiple times. Then 32 into these many times, it may reaches more than 4,000 states in a month. Then once your month free trial is completed, for each transition, we have 32, right? For each transition, they are going to charge 0.025 cents per 1,000 state transitions. Very less. For 1,000 state transitions, they are charging 0.025 cents. Okay. So in this way, they calculate pricing for step functions.